Is there an option to see when a TikTok account was created? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Unfortunately, there is no such direct way by which you can determine a TikTok account's creation date. It is not even mentioned on your account information. But there are some workarounds that you can try if you really want to find out the TikTok's account creation date. First and foremost, you have to open your Gmail account associated with your TikTok account. Search for TikTok in your inbox and scroll down to locate the welcome or verification email from TikTok. This email typically indicates when you first signed up and often shows the date of account verification or creation. However, if the email has been deleted, you might not be able to check it. So in that case, there is an alternative as well. For this, you have to open the TikTok's app. Once you launch the TikTok application, go to three lines on the top and go to Settings and Privacy. This should open a page displayed on the screen. Now navigate to the Account Center, which is under Contents and Display. From there, you will see an option called as Watch History. Now you'll have to scroll to the bottom to find the first video you watched, which could indicate when the account was created. However, this method requires a lot of scrolling, especially if you watch a large number of TikTok videos daily. So these are the only workarounds that you can try for now. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.